going on, y'all? Finna hit y'all with a cold start this morning. Finna remote start the vehicle and let y'all hear these pipes. Man, I love to hear those pipes in the morning. I know my neighbors mad, but it ain't nothing I can do about that. Love to hear that Chevy 350 sound. Let y'all hear it a little bit before I turn it off. Yeah, man, I love driving this out of town on the highway and it open it up and all you hear is pipes. I love that sound. I can't drive quiet vehicles. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because I'm coming to you with more videos, and that way you get notified every time I drop a video. And on that note, be safe. I'm out.
Perfect.